Good day, my dear colleagues. What do we have for us today? It is how Nclex questions are graded. The grading of Nclex questions. I need to let you understand that Nclex question is not graded by using percentage. It is graded by using a curve. So, in this curve, the computer assesses your passing and failing. So, there are two types of zones in the grading of Nclex. We have the passing zone. We also have the failing zone. So, the passing and failing zones are demarcated by this line, known as a distinctive line. The goal of every test taker is to be above this line. And how can you be above the line? Your target should be to pass the first 5 questions. The first 5 to 10 questions. But if a person misses the first 5 questions or the first 10 questions, then the person will fall below the line. I will now explain how this works. For instance, if the test taker gets the first question right, gets the second question right, third question right, fourth question right, fifth question right. So the computer monitors your progress, and you can see how the curve trends up. So that means the test taker is passing, is above the line. And maybe at the 6th question, the test taker misses it. 7th question is missed. 8th question is missed. So the computer records that as downtrend, even though the test taker is still above the line. So at 10th question, you get it right. 4th question, 11th question right. 12th question right. And the following question right. Next question, you miss it. Second question is missed. The following question is also missed. You can see. As long as this test taker is above the line, he or she is still passing. And a candidate having this kind of curve, which we call slopey curve. So if this curve is maintained like that, and the person is above the line, this kind of candidate may answer more than 75 questions. But if the candidate is able to maintain a curve that trends up continuously, even though if it may reach a plateau around here, maybe may reach a plateau around here, but still continue to trend up. So this kind of candidate may answer 75 questions, and at 75th question, the computer may shut off. And as the candidate gets the question right, the following question becomes harder. So, as the candidate progresses by trending up, the questions become difficult. So, answering difficult questions in Nclex may be a determinant for passing, may be a great indication that you are passing. But if the candidate misses the first question, the second question, the third question, the fifth question, you can see the computer records the progress as downtrend. The person is downtrending. You can see, and it is below the line. The person is downtrending. You can see, and it is below the line. And if the person struggles to get the following questions right, maybe the sixth question gets right, seventh question is right, eighth question is right, ninth question is right, and at 10 questions he gets it right, and at 11 question misses it, 12th question is missed, 13th question is missed, and he maintains the slopey curve like that. So you can see that here the questions are right, here the questions are right, but inasmuch the curve is not above the line, it's not crossing this line, the person is in the failing zone. And this person in this failing zone may not answer more than 75 questions because the computer has believed that you can no longer tackle even the simpler questions. And the person in this failing zone will be presented with simpler questions. Because if a test taker misses the first question, the following question will be simpler. The next question will be simpler. So, but if a candidate gets the first question right, the next question will be harder. So the harder the questions, the probability that you are passing. The simpler the question, the more likelihood of failing the Nclex exams. So your first target should be to be above the line by answering the first 5 questions, at least the first 5 questions right. And of course, a candidate may answer more than 75 questions, whether a candidate, for instance, if the candidate at first maintains a curve that is below the line but struggles to rise above the line, like this, you can see the trend of the candidate's progress. So you can see that the person misses the first few questions but struggles to climb up above the line. Even though in between he still misses the question but still struggles to climb. But as long as the candidate does not fall again below the line, then the person is passing. And this candidate may answer more than 75 questions. So, I hope this video helps you to better prepare for your Nclex exam. So your target should be to answer the first 5 questions right. Your target should be to answer the first 5 questions right so that you maintain being above this line. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this video. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.